Hi, everybody. This is Javier from the digital experience team, and I'm just going to be updating the NPM package for Slippers, Slippers UI. So I'm going to start sharing my screen in just a second, and I have my one-on-one with my manager in like 2 seconds. So this will probably be just a brief video. Um, yeah, let me just share my screen really quickly. So Lauren from our team had pushed up changes, and so then I just briefly pulled them down, and I'm just going to be walking through the process of actually like updating this. And this is all something that with time will be automated, but for right now, with the value of iteration, we're just like doing this manually. But essentially what we do is we bump uh, the patch number of the version in the package.json, um, because every 2 weeks, right, we bump the minor version up a number. So right now, because we're in the middle of an iteration, we're bumping this. So we'll do that. Next thing we're going to do is if we go to the build command here, um, we actually have to build the view and CSS that's created with this. So, and this is just to make sure that all the stuff is like in there and working. It may be possible that some of the components, I don't know if Lauren added components to it, might need to be added to main.js. But I think that's something that we can do later. Again, I don't have a ton of time right now just because I have my one-on-one literally like right now. Um, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. I'm gonna hit git status. It looks like it built properly, just to double check that that's working. Okay, so then next thing I'm gonna do is add all of this and commit it and make sure that left hook likes all of this stuff, and it should because I didn't change anything. And I'm gonna say chore build and bump to 0.7.8, I believe. All right, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. And the reason why I'm like being super on it is that I don't want super on it in terms of like wanting to make the changes is because Lauren merged the change already. So like I don't want someone else to merge another thing and then like have there be a conflict in versioning and all that stuff. So that's why I'm being really particular about doing this like right away. So I'm just gonna push this really quickly. Whenever my computer decides to like that, I'm just gonna do that. Sweet. And so then I push directly to master, which is not like an amazing practice, but it's the way that I've been doing it and I've seen other people do it. You can also do it in the merge request. And I don't know if we have a strong opinion within our team whether to do it that way or not, but something to consider. So have that set up. Now what I'm going to do briefly is run the npm publish command. And because I have write authorization for the package, should just let me do that really quickly. And I can show you what ends up getting updated in 1 second. Where's Zoom? Stop share. So let me go to npm.js on another screen and then share my screen really quickly. And you see that this has been published a few seconds ago. And so now, whenever you're working within a package.json, if you are looking to like use the dependency that, the version of slippers that we just updated, you would use this number instead. So that's all you do. Pretty simple, straightforward. We're going to automate it in the future. Yeah. All right. Thanks. And I just need to know how to end my thing. All right. See ya.